So magandang araw kabola. So video na ito pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Ito nga po ang isang team daw kabola na may plano dito po sa babarating po na tournament break kabola. And then of course, best coach ever daw. So hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So again, we will start with the comment of the mga fans sa latest video natin. Fernando de la Peña, kumuha na lang ng foreign coach. Sabi na dito, unfortunately, kapag foreign coach po, of course, alam nyo naman po sistema kabola, eh hindi po agad yan pwede actually na maging head coach. Magiging consultant lang po sila. Peter Patrick Garcia, yung dating pick na Ginebra, si Ken, dapat kunin pabalik kung wala ng pag-asa kamuha ng center sa ibang team o sa free agency tulad ni Saldi Rangel, Yuti Andrada, di pa pang nasa MPBL ngayon kabola. I do not think what happened with Ken kabola, even in the MPBL, di po siya naglalaro doon. So I'm not really sure, no? Kabola, baka talagang yung skill level siguro hindi po abot doon or may iba pa siyang issue, maybe injuries related. Pa-shoutout sir, Ronald Perbusidad and Malyari Mascareñas. Pa-shoutout naman idol. Now na injury si Jordan Adams for the game nila sa Rain or Shine. SMBN Board of Governors of the change import. Why? Because Jordan Adams is injured, sabi niya. So matagal na, no? Na sinasabi nito si Malyari Mascareñas kabola. Nabalitan nga po ito si Jordan Adams. And I think mangyayari na siya because of the injury. Pero tignan pa rin natin kabola, no? Baka mag-iba po ang isip. Baka gusto pa rin nilang maging patient dito po kay Jordan Adams. Kasi sobrang galing naman talaga nito. He is really good scorer kabola. Pero overall, malamang makikita nyo po maglaro po si Adams in the future for San Miguel Beermen. Kasi siya ata yung nakalagay po na import for the EASL po na Rooster kabola. Now, napanood nyo ba? Malamang konti o walang nakapanood sa inyo. Kung paano po, wala lang, dinemolish ng Meralco Bolts kabola. Ito pong Terra Firma Jeep, 42 points win by the Meralco Bolts. Wala, napanood ko, halos wala kasi yung mga magaling na lang player. Wala si Chongson, wala si Stan Hardinger, wala si Pringle kabola. Wala, they look so helpless kabola in Terra Firma. And if you look at the players who are playing kabola, no disrespect to those players, no? Pero, I mean, they may not even see minutes on other teams, eh. I mean, umabot na sa ganung level ulit itong Terra Firma Jeep, which is of course nakakalungkot, di ba? Nakakalungkot kasi ilang beses na po sila ng number 1 pick almost every other year, pero ganyan pa rin po yung lineup nila. And of course, walang ginagawa dyan ng PBA. That's fully accepted, which of course, napakalungkot po, no? Napakalungkot. And now, they are gunning again for the number 1 pick. Napapansin na yan ng ibang fans. They are now anticipating again Terra Firma with the number 1 pick, and now they are starting to name people that ito nga pong SMC could be targeting with this. Now, na may isang mabigat, no, na statement tong si George King, import po ng Blackwater. Sabi niya kay Jeff Carriazo, the best coach I played for. Maybe more of the best coach that brought out the most or the best production from you siguro. And maybe that's the reason pwede natin sabihin that he is the best fit na coach para kay George King. Pero overall, King is a good candidate for the best import in this tournament. Medyo na late lang siya dumating sa Blackwater Elite, pero he's really doing well kabola with them. Now, ito na nga po, no, nilabas po ito ni Sir Snowbad. Magnolia Hotshots, of course, they are still competing now. They just change import kabola again because of the injury of Mahaman. Pero Snowbad is now saying na talagang ito yung kumbaga focus ngayon ng SMC in the Magnolia management, of course. Kasi malamang pag wala na naman to, hindi naman sila nag-champion dito at mukhang malaking chance hindi na naman po sila mag-champion, eh mapapalitan na itong si Chito Victolero. And yan talaga yung tinututukan ngayon kabola. And because of that, Snowbado stated that there's a good chance kabola na they will make a blockbuster move in this upcoming season tournament break kabola, trying to bolster itong lineup nila. And maybe the reason behind that is that they will try to give one more help, one more chance to Victolero with a very good lineup or with a very good addition. And of course, the most logical dyan para sa akin is Stan Hardinger. Kasi baka Northport di pa yung mag-trade, diba? Kasi, I mean, nagmatigas sila, diba? Nasaktan sila nung natawag silang farm team. So baka si Stan Hardinger yan, pero dapat magkaroon muna ng bagong kontrata. And we know Stan Hardinger is not an easy one to get or sign a contract with. Kababa sa plagay mo, sino kaya ang target ng Magnolia? Comment na po sa baba.